I'm gonna take her on a spin for a little bit, see how she rides. Also rolling the other side inwards. Because I'm gonna keep my air box. I'm gonna use it as a storage box.
Listen, babe, every time I see you, I get a bad vibe. Thinking of someone else, see your stupid ass, and I know you try to be back.
So nothing really against the Hawk. It's just that LIFAN is a proven company, so I rather went with them instead of the Hawk, which was online proven. But again, LIFAN is worldwide in all of those Southeast Asian countries, you know, Africa, even the Middle East and South America. Those are the countries where you can beat them up and you can't get parts, obviously, hence the US. But you can get aftermarket parts. Many other bikes are similar in model, frame, and obviously aftermarket parts. So who knows, the sky's the limit when it comes to changing everything on this bike. I love the new handlebars. They're kind of wide, so you know, you just gotta watch out when it comes to off-roading, but you get you some hand guards, which they're coming in the mail. I think you'll be all right. Other than that, the rear shock has to go. That has to go because it's really, really bouncy. I don't know if anybody else has that problem with their LIFAN, but I mean, I'm only 6'1", sorry. I wish, and about 210. So it's kind of bouncy with me. And especially when you're going over stuff like this, you can really feel it kind of bottom out. I did lose a light back there. Funny thing is, I put a light back there behind or in front of the rear tire. So I went back to the drawing board and did a shitty job on the patch seal thing. I'll put a link in the description. Basically it sealed up my shitty weld job also. I mean, that's the reason why it's there. I actually bought it for that, just so I don't leak out any air. So we'll see if she sounds good though.